Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to learn about less than or equal command in Allen-Bradley PLC. But before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's start. First of all, I will open my RS Links Classic to communicate with my PC, and secondly, see make it configuration, click on auto configure, and as you got the signal auto configuration successful, your PLC will be connect with your PC. Secondly, I will open RS links RS Logix 500, and this only just scroll down and you can open your main software. So here, if I like to take backup on my PLC, go to the upload, and if you like to make a new project, you can click on file and you can make it new project. So I will take backup from my PLC and click on upload. As you click on upload, this window will be pop up and you can click on create new files. And here is there if any password in your PLC. When you provide the password, it will be click on OK and your backup will be ready in your PLC. Click it no and delete this old program which is inside the PLC, and let's new program start. So first of all, I will take a new bit. I will use my input I 2 colon 0 slash 0. But I think so this address is not good. If you maybe forget how can you take the input address, you can simply take from here and you can drop it here and your address will be correct. And second, I will take that, go in the compare command section, and here we will take less than or equal command. But before using this less than or equal command, I would like to use this one counter, because of where I give the value after it will be, we will make it comparison with this command and we will see. Let's suppose I will take this counter C5 colon 0, and here I give some value, for example 5 or 6 or what value you like to give, no problem. And here we will take our compare command less than or equal, and here I will give this direct value of this counter. I will give it value in this command C5 colon 0 C5 colon 0 dot ACC, and here I give the value, give any data register for which we like to be compared with this counter, N7 colon 0. I will use the data register for put comparison value, and this small program I will download to the PLC. And what's the error? He says some errors are shown. What's the error we have to be find? So click on compile, and if you will see in he says rung 1 in error, output missing on your rung. Yeah, he says you not choose any output for when this condition A is equal with B, you have not choose any output. So we will choose any output. For example, out colon 2 slash 0, I will choose the output. And now again compile the program, and now all errors are finished and you can download to the PLC. And here is here asking for program where you like to save. I will save in this program and make it click OK. Now your program is downloading to the PLC. Simply when it's finished, after you go to run mode. So now let's see, I gives the value this counter, and here I will give, for example, 5 value I will give, and this is if less than 5, after this output needs to be on. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When this is not equal with this 5, this your output will be off. And when you give the signal again, this is giving, this is value, your value will be increasing, but this is not equal, this is less than or equal. For example, A is less than B, after this your output will be on, otherwise it will be off. And that CTU counter will not make that reset point, no problem, we can make it reset from here. And but this is the not a original function, this is original function you like to be used. I will show you, maybe somebody not see, go offline, but how to make this reset condition, you have to be choosing here insert any rung. In user concession, here you can make it insert the rung here, and we can use it here any internal memory bit B3 colon 0, for example I will choose slash 0, and here we have to be use timer counter. Yeah, this is the reset. In timer counter, this command you have to be choose, and reset we like to be make C5 colon 0, C5 colon 0 we need to be reset. Make it compile, open not enter, C5 colon 0, this one B 3 colon 0 slash 0. Now make it compile and download to the PLC. Change back to run mode, is asking online, and see, as you giving the signal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, but this is you're not giving value here. For example, 6 value I will give it here. Your output will be on, and as you're giving one more signal when it's 7, your output will be off. And as you give the signal at B3 colon 0, your counter will be reset and your output will be again on. And as you giving the signal, but you have to be must this is closed because of this is internal memory. If you use out external signal, after this will be not on. As you giving the signal, this counting will be increased, and as it's cross the 6, your output will be closed. I hope you will understand about this less than or equal command, how we can use in the program. This value can be from the field, which is you can compare with the counter. I am using that counter. You can also compare with the timer. Also you can compare with the analog signals. Whatever depends on your own logic creation. This is only for learning purpose. When you use this command in the program, use with your own way. So I hope you understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.